Hey, I'm Will and Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos.
Alright, good morning. Today we have a 2024 Chevy Blazer, and I looked up the key and it's the older HYQ4 ES key instead of the shark fin style. Normally on something this new, I would just grab the computer and the dealer software, the SPS 2, but it's raining and I saw it was the older style key, so instead of pulling all that out in the plugs in the rain, I decided to try the IM608, see if it would connect and pull the pin, and I got it. So apparently you can do this car, even though it's brand new, with the IM. So I got the pin code. The key slot, I believe, is the front cup holder, so we're going to get into the programming side and the 12-minute wait here. Add a smart key. Start stop button once. Okay. Got it. And this is going to get us into 12 minutes. Pin is good. Yes. Ignition off. It is. And here comes the wait. All right, so it looks like this is going to work. We'll be back in 12 minutes. All right, we are back. I've pushed the stop button. The key was in the front cup holder. The screen came up, said ready for remote 3 because the car already had 2. I pressed the start button, said ready for remote 4, so it took my key. Just running through configuring. It's going to tell us to hold the start stop button for 12 seconds to get out of programming. No, I do not. Switch the ignition off. You gotta hold it for a second or two to get it off. Alright, ignition off. Hold for 12 seconds to get out of programming. It died, you fuck. Release. Back to configuring. Press the stop button long to get the ignition on. All right, we got ignition on. Back off. Car starts. We are good to go. Back off. Stop the engine. Open and close the driver's door. Release both. Is there another key to be synchronized? No. Number of match keys 3, so we are good to go. So I learned this myself today. If you've got a new Chevy GM product and still has the old style key, you don't need to use the SPS2 to program this. It's only the shark fin keys. So we all learned something today. All right, good luck out there.